In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page effortlessly, rename it, and save your changes seamlessly. This is a skill that can come in handy whether you're working on a project, designing a website, or managing a document. Let's walk through it step by step to make sure you can do it with confidence and ease. To start, make sure you have the page you want to duplicate open and have access to its editing tools. This setup ensures that your initial page is ready and waiting for you to create a copy of it. Next, locate the duplicate page option. This option is usually found within the toolbar or drop-down menu of the platform you're using. It might be labeled as duplicate, copy, or something similar depending on the application. Clicking this option will generate an exact copy of the page, preserving all its contents and settings. Once you've duplicated the page, your next task is to rename it. This step is crucial, especially if your goal is to keep your pages organized or if the duplicated page will serve a different purpose from the original. Typically, you'll find the renaming option next to the page title or within the settings menu of the duplicated page. Click on it and type in your new title. Make sure the new name is descriptive and distinct from the original to avoid any confusion later. It's a good habit to adhere to a consistent naming convention, especially if you plan on duplicating pages frequently. This will make searches and navigation much simpler in the long run. After you've renamed your duplicated page to your satisfaction, it's time to save your changes. Depending on the software or platform you're working on, saving might occur automatically or require a manual action. If a save button is present, make sure to click it to secure your edits. If autosave is enabled, double check that your newly named page appears correctly in your page list. This confirmation step ensures you don't lose any important updates due to oversight or a technical glitch. There you have it, the 3 straightforward yet crucial steps to duplicating a page, renaming it, and saving your updates. With these steps mastered, you can more efficiently organize your work and streamline your processes, especially in complex projects. As a quick tip, always double check your work once you're done. Verifying everything is saved correctly and that the duplicated page appears just as you intended can save you from unnecessary headaches later on. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope these tips help you achieve what you need with ease and efficiency. Stay tuned for more handy tutorials coming your way.